Hey, my name is Phil from legitmarketingreviews.com. In today's video, I want to share with you my freshly built custom AI avatar using a platform called Synthesia Studio. Now, if you haven't yet heard of Synthesia, I've also shot a review video, which I'll link to above this video here. But basically what it is a AI video generation platform that allows you to type in different text. And what it's going to do is get a custom avatar with a custom AI voice to spit out the text like me shooting this video right now. Now, I started seeing quite a bit of popularity with this platform on places like TikTok and YouTube. So I know it's just a matter of time before more people are going to be using it. So I thought I would go ahead, get a custom AI version of myself created using Synthesia, and this is exactly what I've done. So what I'm going to do in this video is show you the process of creating your own AI avatar, as well as what the final output is. And then if you decide to get started, I've also left a link in the description below. You can go ahead and test the tool out for yourself. So what I'm going to do right now is jump behind the screen and show you my AI avatar. Okay, so just a quick recap once again. The platform we're using is Synthesia. I actually said the name wrong in the Synthesia review, but once again, I'll link to that in the description. And if you want to test drive it, you can get an AI video for free. So go ahead and play with that. But I'm going to go straight into it. This is my dashboard inside of Synthesia. As you can see, I've been playing with it quite a little bit for the past few months. And the bit that's going to be important to this video is, of course, the avatars. When you get started, you will notice all of these different avatars inside of the platform, and as you probably saw, the first one is actually me, so that's pretty cool to see. So in order to get your own avatar, I'll quickly walk you through the process just so you know exactly what to expect. So the first thing you want to do is click on the buttons. Now, it isn't a free add-on. In fact, it's $1,000 per year on top of the existing subscription. So this is more catered to business owners, people that make money using this type of content. So if you're just a hobbyist, this might not be perfect for you. However, $1,000 per year to have your own AI version of yourself isn't actually that bad. Now, to walk you through the process of how it actually works, the first thing you will need to do is click on this See the Script for Avatar Shoot and Consent Statement. And this is going to take you to a Google Doc, which basically gives you a few bits of instructions to follow, as well as a script. Now, there are two different ways of doing this. There is the professional version, and then there is the DIY version. I personally did somewhere in between. I do have a green screen, and I went and actually purchased a teleprompter because I wanted one anyway, so it just made sense. And what you want to do is just follow these basic instructions. So every time you see a closed lips image, you just want to pause with your lips closed so you can see it's scattered down here as well. And then it says it doesn't matter if a word or line is skipped. How it matters is how you deliver the script. Make sure you have long pauses between the lines. And then finally, take 3 versions of the script and then send them through. So it's pretty basic. You just come inside here, shoot the video, and I'll actually show you what that looks like. I'll just quickly mute the screen. So this is how my version of it looked, right? I had my green screen in the background, and then I just started shooting following the script. So I did that 3 times, and then I sent all the footage into Synthesia, and they went ahead and created my avatar. So it's pretty cool. Then once you're finished, at the end, just make sure you have the consent, which is my name is, and then you add your name. This video recording will be used by putting your client's name or yourself, and then to create a custom lifelike avatar. So that's real easy. Now, it does take about 5 days to process, I believe. It says up to 10. Mine didn't take that long, so it was really good. And then finally, once it was ready to go, I got sent an email. And here I am. So let's go ahead and have a look at how an AI version of myself actually presents. So first you click on it, it's going to bring up a language selector. So you don't have to have your native language. You can actually use these other ones as well. For example, German, Spanish, Italian, and French. For this first video, I will use English. I'll show you a different translation afterwards as well. So I'll click Create Video with this avatar. Now, you'll probably notice I'm not wearing a hat. It's probably the first time I've uploaded videos of myself without a hat, so it's pretty special, but I thought this was a pretty important video, so that's why I left it off. So let's get started with actually creating a video. Now, the first thing you want to do is type in your script. So I've created a quick one, which I'm just going to paste in here. And once you've added it in, you'll notice that it then opens up a different selection for your voices, your different languages, your different accents, and your tone of voice as well. Now you'll also see how long the video length is, plus you'll get an option to test out how it sounds. So for this example, I've already had a little play with the different voices, and I'm going to go with English natural for this particular one. And just to let you know as well, the custom AI avatar doesn't take your voice, it only takes your video and adds the AI voiceover on top. If you did want to use your own voice as well, there is a platform called Descript, which uses a feature called Overdub, which actually syncs with Synthesia, and then you can create a full AI avatar of yourself. For this example though, we'll just stick to what's already here. So let's have a quick listen to how this actually sounds.
Hey, my name is Phil and I'm a custom AI avatar created to help teach you about AI bots and software.
So you can see it sounds really nice. It's quite flowy. It does definitely sound English, so I'm pretty happy with it. Now the last option you have before you can go ahead and start generating is actually choosing how you want to look. Do you want to have the full body, or do you just want to be a little circle, which is perfect for things like tutorials or walkthroughs, anything like that. This is where you can play with it, and of course you can make it bigger, smaller, and you can also drag it around the screen to wherever you want it to land. But I'm pretty happy with that, so what I'm going to do is just quickly name this, and this is going to be a YouTube demo, okay? And I'm going to go ahead and click generate video. Now I'll let you know how long this actually takes to process. Okay, so that took 1.5 minutes to process and create the video. You can see it is now ready. So if I go ahead and press on play, you'll notice that I left it on the circle mode. So this is perfect if I wanted to use it for things like tutorials. I'll quickly show you what this looks like, and then I'll go ahead and create another one in the full version, just so you can see exactly how it looks. But if I give you a quick demo right now.
Hey, my name is Phil and I'm a custom AI avatar created to help teach you about AI bots and software. Welcome to the channel and I look forward to showing you around.
So you can see it looks real legit. So I'll go ahead and download that. And what I'm going to do is quickly pause the video and create a new one with the full skin, just so you see how that looks. Okay, so that new one has been added and it took exactly the same time, 1 minute 30 to create this video. If I press play now, you will notice this is the full screen avatar.
Hey, my name is Phil and I'm a custom AI avatar created to help teach you about AI bots and software. Welcome to the channel and I look forward to showing you around.
And that looks actually really good. So this is perfect for people who want to create videos, but don't necessarily want to dress up every time and go in front of the camera. You can use this particular service and you're still going to build your brand authority. You're still going to be a respected person as it's coming from you and not from anyone else. And you've got your own custom AI avatar, which you can pump out videos really quickly. Now, me personally, I could see myself using this for trainings, onboardings, everything like that within a company. And the good thing is it's always going to be congruent as you've got your custom AI avatar already created. You're not going to be changing clothes or anything like that. It's literally just good to go whenever you need it. So I think this is pretty amazing. I'm stoked with how it came out. So now let's have a look at speaking a different language to see how natural it looks. So I'll go ahead, create a new video once again. I'll choose my avatar one more time, and I've gone ahead and opened up Google Translate, and I've got this text here in French, so we'll be trying to make a version in French. So I'll paste it in, and as you can see, as soon as you click off, it's got here French natural. So I'm just going to leave that as is, and I'm going to leave it as a bit of a wild card, see how it comes out. I'm going to just type here YouTube tests French, okay, and I'm going to go ahead and generate the video one more time, and I'll let you know how long this takes. Okay, so that has now been rendered exactly the same length to render as the other two, so different languages don't mean different things. Of course, it's probably quicker to say, so it actually knocked off a second. But let's go ahead and have a little preview of what I look like in the French version. So if I go ahead and press play.
Je m'appelle Phil et je suis un avatar IA personnalisé créé pour vous aider à vous renseigner sur les bots et logiciels IA. Bienvenue sur la chaîne et j'ai hâte de vous faire visiter.
So what do you think? Do you think that looks like I legitimately spoke French? I think it looks really, really good. Let me know down in the comments what you think of this. Obviously, the voice isn't my own. However, I've just spoke French and I've never seen myself actually express words like that before. And I think it's pretty smooth. So apart from that, that is Synthesia. That is the custom AI avatar. Once again, you can have 5 different languages inside of Synthesia, and it's going to allow your custom AI avatar to look like you're actually speaking it. I'm really impressed with what I've seen. What I'm going to do right now is just jump behind the camera one more time. I just want to talk about a few use cases and what I like and dislike about this platform. Okay, so that was my custom AI avatar created inside of Synthesia Studio. Now, I'd love to hear your personal opinion. What did you think of the avatar? What did you think of the translated version as well? Let me know in the description down below. I'd love to hear your comments. But overall, I think Synthesia Studio using the custom AI avatar will be used by a lot of businesses and SaaS companies. This is perfect for things like onboarding videos as well as tutorials, because instead of having to set up a studio and make yourself respectable in front of the camera every time, you could just create your own AI avatar, and then every time you create a video after that, all you need to have is a script. Now, the only thing I could probably see Synthesia doing better inside of their platform is also including the custom voiceover as well. However, these guys focus on video, and then once again, you've got Descript, which focuses on voices. So it does make sense to keep them separate. And once again, they perfectly integrate, so it's an easy option as well. But apart from that, I think this custom AI service inside of Synthesia is amazing. Once again, no one else is doing this right now, so this is a one-of-a-kind service. If you want to check it out, make sure you use the link in the description. Go ahead and test it out for yourself. But that is it, guys. That is Synthesia Studio using the custom AI avatar they created. And that's it from me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you smash that thumbs up button. And if you haven't yet, hit subscribe. I've got some great marketing and software reviews coming your way. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next video.